Hey guys, I wanted to put a very brief video together here too on the mill again. While I'm waiting the power supply, a few other things, I went ahead and pulled the whole mill apart, repainted all the base, the head, black, same black as the enclosure, so everything will look very uniform. I painted all my conduit that runs from the power supply from the control panel over to the mill. I threw on another coat on the whole enclosure of the mill. Pretty good reflection now too. It ain't gonna look good for long until I get milling on it. I just wanted to put a brief video together here to show you guys. Everything's all nice and clean and orderly, and everything's all secured. I got all my coolant nozzles in place. I'm all good to go there. I am possibly, don't know yet for sure, going to order some new Bridgeport billow weight covers. Will mount on the back. What I'll probably do is remove this one, mount it to the back side of the table, and then up to the top up here, so it'll be a solid weight cover down here. That will prevent any chips going up in the dovetails on my Z-axis, as well as keeping it out of the bottom of the Y-axis. Other than that, I'm pretty much good to go, and I'm not sure if I'm going to get them yet or not. Cross that bridge when I get to it. There's a few more mods I want to do yet to the mill yet. I've got my Y-axis retainers in place now. I've got one in the front here. I apologize if you can't see it that well. It's just a regular wire loom, cheap one's plastic. I've got one in the back. Right there, I don't know if you can see that. They're attached via 1032 socket head cap screw. What I'm probably going to do next, I pretty much want to have everything ready to go once I get my power supply, get that going and all configured. Possibly will configure it with the computer I got now until I get my actual computer I'm going to use for the CNC, just to get everything configured. Then I'll just save that file and transfer it over to the other controller, pipe in all the necessary calculations and what have you. So what I'll do here is I'm still going to make covers, plexiglass covers for the stepper motors. Use the heat gun, use plexiglass. I'll make a mold out of a piece of wood, same diameter, width as this. Depth I'll go down, let's say probably a ½ inch below. I'll put a lip. Cover will come all the way from here, and I'll put a lip, comes up here, a drip lip, so it won't drip down here. It'll come down the side and it'll drip down the side. The coolant will. There'll be very few jobs that will actually be running coolant. I got a few high-speed jobs that it's going to be pretty much mandatory to run coolant, but majority of them I won't. But I'll get them all made, get them all in place. Won't have to worry about harming the motors. I don't want to get no coolant in there, that's for sure. Few different types of coolants. Possibly go with Syncool. It's got an excellent rust inhibitor. I know a few people that use it and they've had pretty good luck with it. Really haven't had no problems. It keeps everything nice and rust free, if you will, as far as your tooling. And the same as if coolant would get down and get into any of your ball screws or anywhere you have metal coming out. If you don't have covers on it, there's a real good chance that over a period of time you're going to start to see a little bit of rust here and there on it. So by making them covers, I will prevent that. What I'll do is I'll just probably make 2 covers, possibly make 3. I'll make one for the Y, one for the X, and then when I get my lathe attachment built, it'll be setting up in this area. The motor will come off to the side here. There'll be 2 motors on it, actually, the actual lathe motor and then the stepper motor for cutting gears, the cam lobes, cranks, throws, what have you, anything that needs to be done in steps. Because it's going to be so close to my coolant nozzles too, I possibly will make a cover for that as well. Obviously it's not necessary to do Z, because it's up at the top. There ain't never going to be no coolant or nothing to get up there, so that one's not necessary to make a cover for. I just wanted to put together a quick video to show you how I got the mill all set up and ready to go now. It's all painted, everything looks fairly uniform. It's all clean. Obviously black is my favorite color if you hadn't already figured that out. A few reasons why. I just always like black. That pretty much covers it though. I got, as you can see, I redid everything. You can even see under here where I didn't get actually, because I painted with the brush, I could have dabbed a little more there where you can still see a little bit of the red from the actual siege red. I ain't gonna worry about it. I took everything off of it. If you'd like to view more pictures of it, I'm gonna put a page up on my site. I'm not sure if I have one. It's been a while since I've got into different pages on my site, but I'm not sure if I have one on the mill enclosure or not. If I do, most likely it will be in that category. If not, then just look for a new page. I'll be putting a new page up on the site. Mill/enclosure repaint job or something along those lines. So thanks for taking the time to view this video.